Alright friends, let's look at how you can download YouTube videos on your PC using Free Download Manager. Alright, you are going to learn how to download Free Download Manager, how to install Free Download Manager, how to run it, then about the interface and some other stuffs, then how to download YouTube videos using it, and also how to uninstall it. My name is JULC. Alright, to do that, we go over to our browser. So over here, let's go to Google, or let's just type Free Download Manager. Things are easier these days. Alright, so it's from network, and here we are over here. So click on this. This is a link. We have different links, but then this is direct to the website, so click on it and we are here very fast. Now you click on download immediately to start downloading. Alright, so but then I've already downloaded it, so I'm cancelling it. Let me go to my downloads folder and we install it from there. So alright, this is it here. So when you click on it, it is going to open. Now first thing is going to ask you for is for permission, so you should say yes to allow it, and it will come up. It will ask you, look at the version 5.1.34. whatever. So next. Then this place is just for you. You can actually change the folder you want it to be installed, but then this directory is okay by me. What's next? This is the icon name. You can choose for it to create desktop icon or whatever. I like that. These options are okay for me. Just next. I install, and it won't take much time. Very fast. It installs itself. Now there are some softwares that requires you to crack or do one or two. So but then if you're interested, you can request for it and make a video on that. So yes, alright, here we are. Look at the icon is up here. So it is going to give me an option if I want to launch it immediately, but then I'm going to remove it because of I'm going to deselect it because some persons believe might not have the idea of how to run it. So if you want to run the software, you cannot use this method. Right click on it and click on open, or you double click on it to open it, or you head on to your start menu and then you type Free Download Manager and you have it there for it to open. So okay, software was actually opening something, that's why it's taking some time. So if you right click on it, you can click on open if you want to run as administrator, but I actually prefer double clicking. No one likes long process. Alright, let's go over to the main thing. We've been able to look at how to download it. Now we've installed it, we are running it now. We are going to look at the interface and then look at how to download YouTube videos, and then we remove it. That is how we are going to roll for today. So while it's coming up, let me get the video we are going to work on. Let me go over to my YouTube channel. Something cool. Let's see. The network. Then anyway, on my laptop, still managing it. The processor is processing so many things. I'm using another sensor. Okay. So it's taking much time because we have free download manager is loading at the background. So to change the same time, the system tends to be sluggish about everything. Still hoping for this guy. So I'm not that patient enough for that. You can see our free download manager is running in the background. So let that one wait there while you're here. What's up right there? So it's fine. Alright, so as you can see, these videos are not here because probably maybe I've moved this from where it was to another folder. So but then we are going to be looking at it's open now, so that means we finish running it. Now let's look at the interface of this. Now this is the interface. To add the download, just click on this place. It's going to copy the link. This is a link I've copied earlier, so we are going to do it afresh. So I want to play a download. This one is missing, so it is the one you queued before that you want to play. You just click on play. Now let me talk about the software a little bit. This software is cool for downloads, not only for YouTube videos, but then for any video of your choice, like except if the website decided not to allow you access to download it, but then we have other ways to bypass that. So if you want the idea, I'll give that to you. Alright, just request. So but then you queue up several downloads. Sometimes I can queue up 20 downloads, then I plug my PC and then leave it there. It's going to finish downloading everything. Then there's room for settings where you can check for update, and then go to settings and change some things. If you want to integrate it to your browser, you can click it so that whenever you want to download something, to use the free download manager immediately. Now this free download manager is very fast. You can pause a download, you can play download. So let's go straight to the point. I believe our browser is up now. Okay, so YouTube now, and then what I did, let me go to my own channel. Go to my channel. Good, but then you can always get any video of your choice. So let me choose this one. Oh, it seems this one. I don't know if the size is too big. I'm looking for something really small. I think this guy should do 4 minutes. It's okay. Alright, so immediately it starts playing. You pause it and right click on the video and click on copy video URL. Nothing else here, just this one. So copy it. Now go back to your free download manager. Just click on this plus button. The link will be automatically pasted here. Then you click on OK. It is going to detect this is a YouTube video and then give you options of like file size, screen size. You make your choices depending on what you want, and then you click on download and you have it downloaded to your PC right away. So just this, nothing more, nothing less. Very simple. So you can see we have different screen options here, 144, 240, and then we have different sizes. I can have 144 screen size. Since it's a small screen, it has a smaller size of 2.5 megabyte, but then 15 megabyte is okay. But then seems, let me not waste my MB. Click on that, you can see it's downloading. Now you're going to watch it. It's going to just finish downloading now, and then 2 MB is small, so we're done just immediately. Alright, so but then you will notice something that it didn't ask us where we wanted to install. It went straight away. It usually asks me for that sometimes, so but then let's see. If there's an option for that here. Anyway, downloads. I think there should be. Let me try again and see something. Okay, I think that little link there will do. Okay, you can actually use this little dots here. Just click on it to choose where you want it to be stored, but there is set to desktop, so click on download. That is that there. We don't want to use the scheduler, we don't want to schedule for anything, so click on download. But we've done this, it has completed, so I can queue several files and they'll be downloading different speeds at the same time. So now you can see our video is playing, so I now have it on my local computer. Alright, so you can see the screen size is small. That is why it's like this now. That's why the size is very small, but then depending on the screen size you choose. So that is that for that. Now finally I'm going to teach you how to remove it. So for those that don't know how to go about removing software, deleting the icon does not mean you've removed the software. To remove the software, go to control panel. You can get to your control panel by your start menu, start control panel, and you can see it here. So it will open up. Then go to programs and features. But then if it did not show like that, you are going to see, if it shows you the large icons, not even like this category, yes, you get to uninstall a program and you're still back here. Then choose it. Many times it's arranged alphabetically, so go down, we are in F here, so free download manager, click on uninstall. So immediately click on uninstall, it's going to give you options for that. So are you sure you want to completely remove? Just click on yes and it has uninstalled. Personally, I don't think I want to do that because okay, maybe for the benefit of the doubt, just click on yes, and you notice this guy will soon vanish here. And it's out of my PC. Wow, I see it. Alright, it's okay. Now this is how you go about that. Thank you very much for viewing. God bless you. Have a nice day. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more.